Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware and service so nothing blocks data flow. Insert the SIM or provision the eSIM, then power on the router. Log into the admin panel with your credentials and immediately check for firmware updates. Install them to ensure 5G bands and modem drivers work correctly. Once done, verify the carrier shows the SIM active. If it's inactive, provisioning is the common roadblock. Call support only after you confirm the router and account are both ready. Next, you configure the modem and LAN so devices actually use unlimited 5G. Enter the carrier APN and authentication details. This is why devices sometimes get data, but no internet. Make sure network mode is LTE/5G preferred, and if necessary, lock the band to a strong 5G frequency to avoid constant reselects. Then set DHCP ranges, a secure admin password, and basic CO/S rules so streaming and work devices get priority, while finally, you validate and lock down the setup. Do multiple speed tests at different times to confirm throughput and check the carrier account for any deprioritization notices. Position the router for best signal and add an external antenna if reception is weak. Save a backup of the router config and reboot to ensure settings stick. If problems persist, try this troubleshooting tip. Swap the SIM into a known working 5G device to isolate whether the issue is the router or the carrier.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.